All in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah.
All right, you guys. All right, so it's a couple days later. Finally got the living room rearranged. I got a whole like bucket of stuff, like bag of stuff I need to take to Goodwill to drop off, like baby wide and baby items, clothes that are too small. But we're gonna go ahead and finish off the decorations for the like Valentine's Day decoration. Typically, I don't normally decorate Valentine's Day, but I'm just feeling really festive this year, and I found some really cute pillows and stuff on a really good price. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of decorating for Valentine's, which is the next holiday that's coming up, even though it is January. So we're gonna go ahead and put that out, and then go ahead and close this video out. And then once we take this stuff down, of course, we're gonna just do like a spring kind of like decorate. Just like getting back to pretty much it's gonna just be my regular home decor. It's gonna be moving a few things around at that time. But yeah, let's go ahead and close this video out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it, put up all my little stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up real quick, and then we'll go ahead and put it together and then close this video out. So I'm super excited. So let me show you guys. So we're gonna do like a little bit, and you guys know I normally do like a little situation behind the stove, which I'm obsessed with. And typically I do one for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, or just different holidays, like on Easter, just like little inexpensive, like little backdrop situations. So let me show you guys that. So make sure what I picked up first. So I got, you guys, how freaking cute. Look, you guys, oh my God, I paid $12.99. So I got 2 of these for the couch. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed. And then I picked up a red candle, and it's like the mahogany teak, but I don't know the brand. I got it from Ross, you guys. It smells just like the Bath and Body Works one, just like. I'm gonna try to find some more of those. Then I picked up this from At Home. Oh no, from Home Goods, and I got these. I think I'm gonna put these in my reach, maybe possibly. So I got those little things from Dollar Tree, like little picks, and then I picked up. You guys, I am obsessed. Like, look how freaking cute. Look at the little detail, y'all. Oh my God, I am obsessed with these. So I got these from Home Goods as well. I don't know how much these were. Normally they probably were no more than like $9.99. I think that's what they were. And me and the kids are gonna do like I'm gonna do like a crumble cookie box for the kids. I told you guys I'm in my baking era. So I'm going to make the kids like different kind of cookies, homemade cookies, inspired by crumble cookies. So I got these for Valentine's Day. How freaking cute. I'm gonna do them in some little Valentine's Day boxes with cookies in it. I cannot wait. So I got those. How cute are these? And I got me some new baking sheets. I think these were, I got these and then these from Ross as well. And then for the little situation behind the stove, I got my little cutting board I got from Ross. And then I picked up this from let me take this out. This came from Dollar Tree. Look how cute this is, y'all. It says your love. I love this. And this was $1.25 from Dollar Tree. So I got that. And then this is like my OG cutting board. I got this a couple years ago and I just use it every year for Valentine's Day. It's a heart-shaped cutting board, you guys. How freaking cute is this? So I'm gonna put this on behind the stove as well. And then I got this to go above the stove. How freaking cute is this? And then I'll show you guys my wreath. Let's go ahead and put this together and I'll show you guys my wreath and then my new doormat. I got the piece from my wreath from Dollar Tree, and then the actual new Valentine's Day mat came from Home Goods. So let's go ahead and put this together. I'm so excited. All right, so let's do the stove first, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited, so excited. God, this makes me so happy. I don't know why. I know, like, you guys are like, girl, what's going on with you? Okay, y'all. So let me wipe my stove off. Whew, excuse me. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my little all-purpose cleaner. Let me get my stove a little clean. I need nothing like that. A clean stove. This yeah. So stove is clean. Here is the beef. Is so freaking cute. This came from Top Shelf. It's my first time going in there. I love this store. Got this Top Shelf. How freaking cute is that? And then let's go to stove. So let's start with the base. Got this for I think $12 from Ross. We're gonna put that here, cute, and then I'm gonna go in with my heart-shaped cutting board. So cute. I'm going to put kind of just like panic boarded. And then I'm gonna go in with my little Dollar Tree. And I got this. How cute is this? And that's it, y'all. So I'm just gonna take. I tell y'all, do the most, y'all. Your girl do the most. And that's it, y'all. So these were the pillows I used for Christmas. I'm just gonna remove these here. Set them up. I'm gonna keep my same throw blanket. I'm just gonna fill this couch. We're repurposing here, y'all. So I'm gonna use my same red throw blanket from Christmas. All right, and then I'm gonna go in my Valentine's Day pillows. How freaking cute are these, y'all? Oh my God, what's this? Here's the second one. Let's see, I'm just gonna put that one. So here is the second one. It's so good. And then I'm gonna leave this one here. This is from Christmas as well, so this is gonna stay. And then this one. I forgot I had this in the hallway here, so I'm actually gonna use this. I'm gonna take this here. Let me move some stuff around. I'm gonna put this one in here. I'm gonna take one of these pillows. No, it looks too cluttered. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'll put this back. Let's see. Move this basket. Let's see. Move that basket back. I'm just gonna, let's see.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside them walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar,